Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on meditation reminders in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the notifications button and click on the meditation reminders button. So first you have to enable this function, so just click on the white circle next to the remind me button, and once it turns green you can set the time of the reminders. So you first have to set the exact time when you want the reminder, and then just click on the confirm button. And then you can also set if you only want it on weekends, on weekdays, or every day. So once you've done that, your reminders are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.